Truck breakdowns can happen anytime, anywhere, but when they do, who can truckers and fleet managers rely on to get back on the road fast? Introducing NTTRDirectory.com, your go-to platform for finding trusted truck and trailer repair services across the country. Are you a truck repair shop owner? NTTRDirectory.com is the ultimate platform to get your business seen by thousands of truckers, fleet managers, and logistics companies nationwide. Here's why you should list your shop with us. Targeted exposure to a nationwide audience actively searching for truck repairs. Boost your online visibility with search engine optimization and 24/7 access. Build trust with verified customer reviews and a professional online presence, and much more. Get listed today, reach more customers, and keep America's trucks on the road with NTTRDirectory.com. Sign up now and get your truck repair shop noticed nationwide. Don't wait. Start growing your business today with NTTRDirectory.com.